first step, go to Reports. In Reports, click New Report. A new window is going to open. In Category, select Leads. In the Report Type options, choose Leads Converted Lead Information, then click Start Report. Once you have your report opened, make sure you have your desired filters in the report. Go to the upper left corner and click where it says Filters. Every time you set your filter, remember to click on Apply, so it saves the filter established. After setting up your filters, on the upper left corner, click on Outline to select the desired columns to show on your report. The report will always come with some preset columns. You can add or eliminate as desired. You can also change the order by selecting the field and dragging it to the desired position. If you only want to see the converted leads, go again to the Filters area. Select Lead Status and choose Equals to Converted. Click Apply and your report should be ready. Remember to set a new name for your report by going to the upper left corner, clicking on the pencil, and setting the new report name. After setting the new report name, click Save. It is a good practice to set an accurate description so any user can know what the report is about. After writing the description, select in which folder you're going to save your report and click Save. After saving your report, we'll be ready to use and share. Extra tip: to only see the converted leads with opportunities, add a filter with opportunity named not equal to blank. Thanks for watching. Click like if you would like to see more videos.